All right, everybody, it's Eric Green again. I am here with Holly McKinney from GruntWorx. So Holly, thanks for taking the time to do this. It's always good if we can explain. I mean, I know that they're going to have the guide, but to explain what GruntWorx is and how it empowers, practitioners to scale, save money, and automate.
Yeah, absolutely. Thank you for having me. It's great to be part of this book because what GruntWorks does truly is we're based around automation, putting time back on preparers' plates and replacing what humans would always have to do with this automation right at your fingertips. So what you're doing with GruntWorks is you're sending us all of your clients' documents, whatever the format, whatever the structure. We're going to organize that all for you so that you're not doing manual sorting, which is just a time suck, right? Like there's no value to that. And so you're going to send it over to GruntWorks. We're going to get that all organized for you. And then we're also going to do the data entry for you. So if you still have folks in your office keying in data on those basic federal forms, you're really losing an opportunity to scale your business. And so that's what GruntWorks helps you with.
Yeah, we had surveyed our tax rep members and who's using GruntWorks, because we always want to know what are people using, what are they finding? And they reported back 65% time savings on staff. And as I started to hint, given I do controversy, so we tend to get brought in when everything's gone wrong.
Yeah.
Um, and what we I can tell you is most audits are caused by input errors,
Okay.
transpositions, that kind of stuff. GruntWorks eliminates all that. It automates the process. You save the staff time of sorting through documents and dealing with all that. You save on the input. But more than that, and I've had folks on my podcast and we've done webinars with private equity people. And there's one very consistent message. Private equity loves to buy accounting and tax practices if they're automated.
Right.
If you're still with the clients coming in and sitting there and very kind of very 1980s,
Yeah.
if you're still doing that, nobody wants to buy your job.
Hmm. Yep.
Those clients aren't going to stick around.
Hmm.
There's no way to scale that. But by automating from engagement letters to the prep right through, and the prep is the big one, because now if you have a small staff or you can't find good staff, this allows you to automate the process and scale, you know, whereas in the old days it was just hire more staff, take more overhead, and that's how you created leverage and scale. Now it's the automation, and GruntWorks right now is the engine that will drive all of the 1040 prep and that, which is the biggest time suck of all. Um, can you explain the security, the data security, how GruntWorks works, where are you located? Because that is also a big concern today.
Yeah, absolutely. So GruntWorks is all US based. We do the SOC examination every year. We do penetration tests, and we have three facilities on the East Coast. So all US based, 7216 compliant. The folks that are actually looking at this data and reviewing it for you and bringing it up to that level of accuracy that's required in this industry, right? They are all trained, they're in secure facilities, background checks, drug screenings. So, as we know, in tax season, there's always a push to hire. We need seasonal staff to get these returns out. And so instead of the tax preparers and CPAs and firm owners having to go out and find folks to hire. Well, first you have to, interview and do all of that. You're taking on background checks, drug screenings, you're taking on, checking with references. It's a lot to onboard a staffer and then hope that they stick around throughout tax season, right? So a lot of them get into the field not really knowing like what to expect. And I've spoken with so many firms that, they bring staff members on and then mid-March they're like, I can't do this. And then they're left there just struggling to figure out what to do next. So we take on all of that hiring. We bring on a group of people to review this data for you, and we're taking on all of that goes along with it, all of that infrastructure of hiring, onboarding, training, and getting that output to you.
And for the folks listening, maybe they're a solo, maybe they're part of a small firm. How does GruntWorx, just you can give us kind of a broad overview of the pricing, the how you structure that.
Yeah, absolutely. So, we've always been a per page pricing format because then you're just paying by volume. There's no sign up costs, there's no renewal fees, there's no subscription costs or anything like that. And so, what's really nice is you can literally just use it when you need it. But what we've been seeing over the last few years is really getting into the mindset of doing a what we're calling a return-based plan. So you're able to now sign up for a full year with GruntWorx and get a flat rate per return that is targeted to what your clientele is like. Now, we know clients vary, right? You're going to have some that are day traders or some that enjoy going to the casinos in the summers or, whatever it is. But we're going to find the rate that fits your basic average client, and then we're going to give you that rate. So, depending on which of the solutions you use, we're going to find the right fit for you, whether you want to do a return-based plan or if you want to do the per page pricing.
And before we wrap up, just kind of what are you seeing? I mean, because GruntWorx has been around for a while,
Yes.
right? And you work within, I don't want to say every, but almost all the major tax software. Um, have you noticed any trends? That people listening to this or reading the guide should know about?
Yeah, absolutely. So what we're seeing is that people are really using GruntWorx as a replacement for bodies in their offices. So now their staff members are able to have that FaceTime with the clients, make sure scheduling is working out, all these other tasks that really require a human touch. And they're able to now have also admin level staffers use GruntWorx. So now you're having, you're passing down the pay scale, the data entry, because you don't have to be trained in taxes to use GruntWorx. So we're really seeing a lot of folks being able to grow their business. They're able to, start going into things like tax resolution, and things like that because they're now able to have that time to do so.
And does GruntWorks still offer the option to have a human being review?
Oh, absolutely. Yeah. And that's what probably about 90% of our customers use is that data validation. That's really where you're going to get the most value out of GruntWorx is with that verified service.
And so just to clarify for folks who aren't familiar with this, not only can you upload all the documents, GruntWorks organizes it, creates a file that can be imported directly into your tax software to prepare the return. They have somebody on staff who reviews it. So there's actually a first review before you or your staff ever get to it. So the theory being, by the time you get that return, it should really be in good shape.
Yeah, because it's the third review by that time, right? Because it's going through the OCR, then it's going through our trained staff, then it's coming back to you. And so at that point, you can feel really confident in the data that you're getting, and you're not going through field by field checking. You're able to confidently do an eyeball check, confirm, and you're good to go.
Yeah. So whether you want to implement GruntWorks in your practice as if you're a little younger, maybe as a force multiplier, especially if you're thinking about selling, getting back to that enterprise value, so you could start scaling that practice. So if you have those 3 or 4 staff that have been with you a long time and you don't want to get rid of, maybe you could double your practice, right? Because you're getting it all done through automation, or vice versa. Now you don't need the tax season staff. Now you don't need, we have 9,500 square feet here in New Haven. We have a 20-person law firm. But the
Yeah.
reality is you could be working remote, completely backed up, data secure from anywhere. All right. And make more money. So Holly, any final thoughts before I let you go?
Just that we have some exciting things on the horizon and to just keep an eye out. We're always looking to expand and provide more profitability to you, and so we're excited to partner with you on this book. And thank you so much for having me.
No, thanks for taking the time. And everyone, go check out GruntWorks. There's going to be a link below this video. There's also a link in the ebook that you got. All right. And this is the kind of thing, perfect time of year. Implement this now before year end. First of all, if you implement it now, you might be able to get those returns on extension. But two, implement it before year end and make your 2026 tax season in early 2027 the most profitable, easiest tax season you've ever had.
100%.
Thank you.
Thank you.